looks also really nice, and very luckily we were here also today on the 20th of April 2024. It's a Bäckbornas väg 3, sorry, here in Beckomberga, Stockholm, Sweden. And unfortunately of this group from buildings 3 to 15, they're going to start modernizing the elevators by it on the 25th of April. And we are filming this now. The capacity is 8 persons, 4 season 3 grams, built in 1991 by DEVE. 5 floors. 2 lines here. Capacity number is K54772. And all the rest of them are filmed here. Also by Calculator 86 has filmed the building 15. I love the sounds and the smell in here.
Same here. Inspected by QI Inspector, maintained by ITK.
Yes, it's in background.
That's